Hello guys, this is Tian, and today I'll be installing more RAM into my laptop to 8GB and a new battery. So here we go. So this is a 4GB stick by Patriot. It's a pretty good name. I've heard of this company before. You can just touch metal for that. There it is. It's 4GB stick. 8GB total. Alright. Give me a moment, guys. Let me go ahead and open this. It's on my Dell, for my Dell Inspiron. It's rather easy to open. It's just one screw in the back. And you see the screw is kind of locked in there, so you can't really lose it. There you go, there's the RAM in there. There's two slots, two sticks. Sports DDR3. Now I just gotta figure out, there's one 4GB stick in there and there's one 2GB stick in there. Two different companies. So let me take the first one out here. You have to go through the first one. Oh shit. Okay. Lift these two middle thingies and your RAM will lift up. You kind of pull it out. And this one is the 4GB stick. So this one I want to keep. Right, that's the one I want to keep. Here's the one I don't want to keep because it's only two slots. So I'll put these two total will be 8GB. So I have to remove this guy. Okay, you lift these two metal parts, it will lift up. Here's the battery, just to show you. The fan. Speakers are down here, so it sounds muffled sometimes. Hard drive's down here somewhere in the front. Alright. And it's really tricky to get to the hard drive. Okay, because you have to lift up the keyboard. Oh my god. Okay. This thing just wants to play games. And this is the Hynix 2GB stick. So it doesn't really matter which one goes first. Let's put this one. It's a back panel. It just says DDR3 only. Only whatever your motherboard supports. And make sure. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's little notches in here. Make sure they match up with this, with your RAM stick. Okay. Let's see here. Should be like this then. Notches matched up. Oh dear. It's a little tricky here. You have to make sure you hear a clicking sound when you put it into the notches. I think I heard the clicking sound. Okay. And with RAM, it really doesn't matter the name brand, as long as the motherboard supports it. So it could be a Patriot, Samsung, you can put them together. Hynix and Samsung, you can put them together. It really doesn't matter. Here you go. You gotta make sure you insert into the notches. Put this off to the side. Oh god, I hope I did it right. Okay, I think I did it right. There you go. You hear a clicking sound, and then you just he's playing games. And just get your screwdriver, screw it back on. You have to push it down just a little bit. You hear a clicking sound. Not too tight, just firm. There you go. These 4400. Hopefully this works. Typically they'll send it to you at 50% charged, so that way it lasts longer. It's better storage. Once okay, here we go. Talking too much here. this works. Oh, there you go. Just a little nudge. You hear a clicking sound. Click. I hope this doesn't explode. Alright, there you go. Alright, next I'm gonna power it on, okay? I'm gonna power it on. Oh, it works. It's okay. So, Dell Inspiron. Right there, you guys see it? There, extended memory. 8,192 megabytes. So that's translates to just about 8 gigabyte RAM, 1033 megahertz RAM speed. So here's the RAM, I believe. Hey, it's charging's good. You can enable these settings to help extend the life of your battery. Battery health, your battery health's performing normally, so that's good. Alright, and let me show you the RAM. Oh, come on, RAM, come on. Right here, you guys see it? Right there, 8 gigabyte RAM, 7.9 gigabyte usable. That's taken up from system files and such, so that's about right. Alright, hopefully my system will speed up really quick. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.